This investigation is not about the legitimate incentives to create, test, and market new drugs. After the patent on a prescription drug expires, however, our system traditionally has relied upon competition to bring more affordable generics to the marketplace. But when competition breaks down, when there has been a market failure, as may be the case here, the discipline that keeps prices in check and protects consumers can disappear. Let me close by noting that some of the companies that have been the focus of our investigation look more like hedge funds than they do traditional pharmaceutical companies. As one industry expert I recently spoke with put it, these companies are to ethical pharmaceutical companies as a loan shark is to a bank.